Dear ladies and gentlemen, hello. My name is Kickboy Fuldamjar, and I am presenting my submission to the Gemini competition. So, without further ado, let's start. So, my submission and my app is the AI therapist, but the concept behind that is that it's not the usual therapist. It's a therapist that directs towards empathetic and kindness and the positive attitude towards the person. So, for example, I wrote two prompts, multiple prompts in one session that is directed towards the negativity of the person. And as we can see, the responses here are directed into asking right questions towards the root of the problem. And here I presented the positive prompt. What so for example, I am receiving a first paycheck. So as you can see, even at the positive and even in the negative forces directed at this therapist of based on the and powered by Gemini API, it it is always directed towards not directed towards the solution, but rather asking the right questions. And throughout the questions, it actually analyzes what is really important for the person and how we can eradicate a certain problem that the person is addressing about. So besides the chat history that is presented here, we can also go to the sentiment analysis that is actually analyzing what is happening towards the sessions that happened. So we had two sessions, as you know. So there are very positive and there is a neutral. So there was a feeling towards the grades. It was somewhat neutral, but receiving the first paycheck, it's very positive. So here's the explanation. And also, if it's needed, we can go to the session summaries that will analyze and summarize the sessions that happened of the user. For example, linking that to the grades or receiving the first paycheck in order not to be distracted by other uh, concepts, by other things. So the final thing in my AI therapist is the voice prompting. Yeah, so I was really excited about my grades, but apparently they were down. So as you can see, it's also directing and asking the right questions. So that was all, and thank you. Thank you very much.